Today's video is gonna be an experiment with my eyebrows. A while ago, the lovely Nomi John made this video where she shaved her eyebrows and tried these semi-permanent eyebrow tattoos. So I ordered some because they looked like super realistic. And I've had like no eyebrows for over 10 years now. I just shaved them like every other day. And I really like the natural look, so I'm just gonna try these. And I've explained this in my like natural eyebrow tutorial, but maybe you're wondering, why don't you just let your eyebrows grow if you like the natural eyebrow look so much? But my own eyebrows actually, they're quite ugly. Like, I know you can shape eyebrows, but naturally mine grow very low, and where I usually draw them is a bit higher up. If I would like let them grow, I could get like bushy eyebrows, but they will just like be too low, and they're also kind of like not very arched and everything. I don't like it. And I do like changing colors of my eyebrows and everything, so just keep with the shaved look. But yeah, I'm just gonna try how like these would look. So yeah, I ordered a bunch of different ones. These came just from eBay, because Naomi John said she got hers from eBay as well. And I got a bunch of different ones. And yeah, I'm just gonna get like these maybe? I'll start with these. I'm not wearing any makeup here. Yeah, I cut my eyebrow in shape. And maybe it should be a bit more neat actually. Then there's supposed to be foil, but I honestly cannot find it, so I don't know if I'm just gonna stick it, I guess. So yeah, my eyebrows grow here. You can kind of see them like here, and usually I draw them here. So I'm gonna stick it here, and I want some water. What the fuck? Whoa, this looks so realistic. Maybe it's a bit too high. Okay, yeah, this looks weird. This looks way too high. I draw them lower than this. Let me redo it. Oh no, I can't get it off. Ow! What the fuck? Like this would be better. Oh my god. What the hell? This looks so realistic. Holy shit. Hold on. Dude. Those feel kind of weird, but I just rubbed like very hard. Let me stick the other on there, and I'll get them even. It's not even at all. Oh no. But whoa. I did it. This one's kind of sad looking though. Damn! Do we like this? Now I'm curious about the super bushy ones, actually. Should I get the super thick ones? Look, wait. These are so bushy. Or should I try... These are actually also quite big, but less arched. But I think that will be kind of weird. I know what I'm gonna try. Okay, so actually I've been drawing my eyebrows into like a pointy shape recently. And maybe I can cut this one, into like my pointy eyebrows, but realistically. I'm gonna try that. Oh no. Look at my skin. I cut them a bit shorter, and I think it's a bit too close to this. I'm getting a monobrow. It's still way too close to my nose bridge. I'm just gonna stick on the other one. Maybe it's a look. Whoop. Nah, I don't like this. These ones look so sad. This is awful. This is actually how my natural eyebrows grow. See? I mean, I guess it's a look for some people, but on myself personally, I don't really like it. Coconut oil. Oh, that works! Okay, I want to try one more time because I also want to try it with like makeup. Okay, yeah, I can already tell this is like a weird shape. One last try with these ones. I think these work the best for the for my face. Yes, I like this. Let me do my makeup now. And this is the look with makeup. You can kind of see some weird bubbles in there. See? This is weird. I don't know what this is. But I mean, overall they do look pretty natural. Before they started doing this weird bubbly thing. Look. That looks fucking gross. I don't know why it's doing that. What else can I say about this? This was my little experiment with like fake eyebrows. They also sell like eyebrow wigs with like actual hair. And let me know down below if you want me to try that out. So yeah, let me know, and I hope you liked this video. Give a thumbs up if you did. If you have any ideas for more videos, let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye!